muffins. And today we need an egg, some oil, water, cinnamon, prunes, sugar, and a bowl. And now we do this. And then we gotta do the cinnamon. Now, you put all this thing in here. Hold it. If you have these, this makes them. But, I know. Mommy, it's okay if we make a mess. Then you can do this, wrap the flour. Do that. Mommy, now we need an egg, right? Then you need an egg. Whoa. I didn't wash my hair. Mommy, please pause the video. And then wash your hair when you pause the video. And now you gotta mix this up. And now you gotta mix this up. And when you, but don't touch until you don't see any yellow. Right, Mommy? Yeah, right. And let it boil a little bit of boil. You can put the cinnamon in there.
Not yet.
Not yet. And then we need a couple of water. Oh no, that'll take. Be careful. Yeah. And then we need another dirt. Then you can mix it up. There's our ingredients in there. It smells good.
In your oil.
And then we gotta pour our oil. There you go. Hit it back on here. And that all up. There you go. Then you mix it. Yum in the oven. We need half of it. Okay. Do you like to eat this cinnamon?
Only half. So some of it. That's good.
Okay. I'll put some right here. No, it smells like cinnamon. Yeah. Then mix it up. Oh, and then say some so you can put it on top. Oh yeah, on top of the muffin too. And put them in. And then this is how you make it. See all that batter and that sugar you made? Okay. Then you get one of these to put in your muffin. And you need this. That.
And what is that?
I forgot.
Cooking sponges.
It's cooking produce.
This is next one. Next one. That's it.
too much. Wait, let me. Make sure you be careful, because something there you have to pour in like this. I'm a donut, oh no! I'm a donut! Now we just need to pre-dough this over here. I just put it in the oven and I forgot to put this inside our washing. And now you have to put the some right here. Like this. Right, Mommy? Now we have to preheat to
350 degrees.
350 degrees. That's how you make it. Okay, Mommy. So put on your mittens and get ready. There you go. Fill the oven. Hello guys, this is how I make the muffin. I love it, this one. That this is delicious. Thanks for watching my video. Catch you later.